What's up guys, in previous video we made a basic AI assistant that works on our computer, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your own aircraft system in just minutes. Don't worry, I will give you the source code in the description so you can easily make your own aircraft system in your computer. So let me basically explain you how this code file works. First, we are importing some important libraries to use this, and we are taking our coordinates here and we are normalizing our text, and we are making our comments, our responses much smarter in these sections. And as you can see in this whole code, we are generating aircraft report. We are generating a little bit detailed aircraft in here in this sections, and as you can see we got our responses here and we got our comments here. So I'm just gonna show you how you can take your own coordinates. So just go to Google Maps and then go to place, maybe some place, something like this, and then you're gonna see the coordinates in here. Then copy this and come here, then paste this just like that. So you can use this code section with this, but let me show you how this aircraft system works. Hey, can you give aircraft summary?
Sir, I currently detect 15 aircraft nearby.
Open aircraft, please.
Opening aircraft radar, sir.
Can you give detailed aircraft?
Sir, radar scan complete. I have detected 16 aircraft in your vicinity. The nearest one is CKK 232A, registered in China. It is approximately 22.2 kilometers away, traveling at 617 kilometers per hour, heading 16 degrees, currently approaching your position. Estimated route is from unknown origin to unknown destination. No immediate threat detected.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks for your service.
You're welcome, sir. Appreciate it.
So as you can see, it's working like this. So you can take aircraft report with this system. Don't forget to like video, don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next videos. Take care.